In triangle RST above, point W lies on the line RT. What is the value of cosine angle RSW minus sine angle WST? Okay, so let's draw this point here. So the W might be here, might be here, might be here. Then we should draw this. Maybe let's try to connect W and S. So this is our RSW and this is our WST. And what can you notice? So no matter where the W is, the angle of RSW, the sum of this angle RSW and WST, okay? This should equal to this 90 degree because this is a right triangle, okay? So if that's the case, we can actually draw a right triangle here. So let's pretend this to be our RSW, okay? SW, and this angle here is our angle WST. And we know that these two angles, the sum of them should equal to 90 degree because this is 90 degree here. So 90 plus 90 equals 180. This is our triangle here. Okay, if that's the case, let's see what is the cosine of this angle RSW. The cosine of this is adjacent divided by this hypotenuse, so which is A divided by C, okay? Then what is the sine of WST? The sine is the opposite divided by the hypotenuse, which is also A divided by C, okay? Which means the two numbers here should equal to each other. So our answer choice should be just there, okay? Actually, this is a property you should always remember. That is, if two angles, they sum to 90 degrees, then the cosine of one angle should equal to the sine of the other angle. That's how you can prove with this triangle here.